pride more on what we can retain. Secondary on what we can add. Especially when it comes to riding experience. They are built, well engineered, and beautiful as it is. So this video, acceleration and braking system are two most important aspects that should have been retained. Hello everyone! Samahan niyo ako. Drive tayo saglit lang. Using our K-Van, particularly this model, the A17W. For those who are looking for a shop, located kami along Aguinaldo Highway, Anabuan de Imus, Cavite. Yan, sa kanan na side na yan. That's 33 Aguinaldo Highway, Anabuan de Imus, Cavite. 300 meters away from SNR. You're going south before SNR. Konting POV lang tayo. Driving natin to test the acceleration and braking system ng ating DA17W. We intentionally did not turn off the sound while we are driving para marinig din natin how is it inside, the noise coming from the outside. This is pretty much the situation kapag nag-drive tayo daily errands natin or going from bahay to work. Tight traffic, minsan may mga sisingit, biglang mapapabrake ka, then you have to accelerate again. So, papansinin natin sa video natin, kayang-kaya naman. Napaka-smooth nito i-drive. Actually, hindi mo mapapansin, nakalahati lang ng displacement capacity nung usual sedan o kaya yung mga crossovers natin kasi 660cc lang to. Although this is a turbo version, those the same lang naman yung mga non-turbo version kasi yung speed naman natin dito 60, 70 mabilis na. Kaya niya mag 100 actually, pero ngayon hindi tayo makapagpatakbo ng 100 kasi this is highway, but marami mga sasakyan and also along the way may mga schools dyan and pedestrian lanes na kailangan talaga mag-yield tayo, and this is not to test the speed din actually. Kaya lang naman natin to tinry to test out again how is the acceleration and braking power in case kailangan mo mag-brake talaga sudden, meron siya ibibigay. As you notice, hindi talaga tayo nag-yield masyado sa mga grrr line out sa mga lubak-lubak para matest natin talaga yung shock absorber niya. To be honest, hindi ganun kaganda yung shock absorber niya. Mainly because sa Japan, siguro hindi ganun naman talaga kalubak-lubak ang mga kalsada. So, hindi nila kailangan masyado ng magandang ganong system. Even with this kind of small cars, I don't think we will be able to have a really good suspension system kasi nga maliit lang naman to. Of course, we can only see very good suspension system sa mga luxury sedan, okay, and then sa mga pickup siguro. Pero syempre babawi ito sa maraming bagay. Katulad yan, pag U-turn natin napakadali, pag singit-singit napakadali. Of course, hindi naman yung delikadong pagsingit, no? So, kailangan very much defensive driving pa din. Pero you really need to squeeze into those tight spaces, kayang-kaya niya kasi nga maliit lang naman to. Isa pa na kailangan i-mention talaga, ang dami nitong features na for safety ng mga drivers. One of the best talaga yung RBS or radar braking system. Sa ngayon, naghahanap lang tayo ng mga volunteers or kahit isa lang volunteer, siya yung tatry natin banggayan. Tignan natin kung mag-i-stop talaga.